So guys, next topic is derivation of acceleration of the particle in SHM. So again हमने एक यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन करता हुआ पार्टिकल P एज्यूम कर लिया है, जिसकी एक्सेलरेशन जो है दैट इज सेंट्रीपिटल एक्सेलरेशन इट इज वैल्यू इज बीइंग गिवन बाय ओमेगा स्क्वायर इनटू रेडियस व्हिच इज a here. Fine. Now this P particle OP vector is giving the AC direction of AC, that is the acceleration. Now this angle we already know is omega t plus phi, and we will resolve this AC into its perpendicular component and your base component. So this one is acting inwards, this is going to be its cos component and this is going to be its sine component. Fine. Now as we need to draw the projections of P and Q on the diameter for SHM, so it is given by P dash Q dash. Hence the acceleration, that is projection of acceleration PQ on the circle is given by P dash Q dash, and its value is equals to this AC into cos of angle. This AC into cos of angle plus negative direction is showing that the direction is towards the center of the circle or towards negative x-axis or opposite to the displacement. Fine. Now this A, we will substitute its value omega square into A or omega square into R, which is the radius, and hence we will put it. Fine. Next up we will write the value of R cos omega t plus phi as x. Fine. And hence AT, which is equals to minus omega square x, is the final value of the acceleration. Thus this equation expresses the acceleration of the particle executing simple harmonic motion. Also equation first shows that acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement. Fine. So the displacement which we studied yesterday is having the same diagram or the same curve as cos varying curve, which we will be discussing in the next lecture, as acceleration. At mean position x is 0, hence the value of A is also 0, and at extreme positions the value of A is maximum or radius is maximum or x is equals to A, so acceleration will be equal to minus omega square into R or A, whichever you are taking as radius, which is the maximum value of acceleration called as acceleration amplitude. That's all.